Kurt, what do you have to say what you did out there? What I did out there? Really? What I just did was the right thing. And the EC3, he should took our offer. What do you mean offer? How about you go talk to him about it? EC3, we just got talking to Kurt Angle. He said he gave you an offer that you couldn't refuse. What did he mean about that? I don't know what he means. I didn't ask for his help. I didn't ask for anything. But I know what Kurt Angle's doing. He's trying to get into my head, and he's trying to put me with this group called Main Event Mafia. I am only loyalty to me. That's it. Nobody else. You can't trust nobody. You're in this business. So that quest is denied.